In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize templates in Canva. So we've got this Instagram graphic here, and let's say you just wanted to resize it to something custom. All you have to do is go in here, and then let's say maybe 1920. And then you can just either copy and resize or just resize. I'm gonna just resize. So that's how you can do it one way. Gonna hit Command Z and undo. Now the other way, so let's say you want to turn this Instagram graphic into a Pinterest pin. So select that, and I'm going to do a copy and resize now. And now you've got this formatted for a Pinterest pin. So you can just change a little bit of the design to reformat it. So if you're creating a similar graphic to go on a bunch of different platforms, you don't have to go and recreate it for each platform. You can just create one design initially and then resize it to these other formats to save you time. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you want more tips on doing your own design for your business, get our free DIY design guide. We've got a link for you in the description. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. See you next time.